welcome back to Just Playing Around, and I'm your host, Clay. Now, I've broken this game, and it is Planet Miner. Not sure if it's supposed to be Fever or Fervor, because either way, it just used an anagram for it, but I'll probably check that later. Now, I have enough money to unlock a new planet, but I'm not going to, because I managed to find an exploit in the game. You see, how this works. To start off, you need to take your first planet, and you need to level it up to earn more money than you could possibly earn off your current planets. Now, what this does... Oh, I think I was about to play an ad. 1 second. As I was saying... What? I think I'm still recording right. Yeah. As I was saying, what this does is this unit over here, level 66 with capacity, it's the collector, okay? So it collects a certain amount, but if you can fill it up on this first planet, its trip back and forth is a lot shorter, and therefore you make money faster. And while that's a fun trick, you are actually earning money faster in protectors. And there is still a way to make it not quite right. You see, if I'm producing more than my carrier can carry, my collector, I guess it's called, can carry, it starts to pile up. And if it piles up, then the collector has a hard time collecting it. So there's just a ever-growing pile of green crystals on planet number 1. Second, if you look at the collector station, you'll see it's got 270 billion coins in it. Or not coins, are they? They are coins, I guess. Now the thing about that is we go over here to the warehouse, which... Oh, 1 second. No! When we go over here, it carries less than what the collector brings in off the planet. That produces more than the collector can carry, creating a problem where there's now 328 billion coins inside the collector's unit, stuck in space. Now you still technically earn money, it's just not as fast as you could because of the several ways I'm doing it. Which I've broken it, and I break it this way. I just did 10 levels and whatever I can say. Oh, no, never add. Right, so both the numbers of the resources on the planet and the resources in the pod in space are going to infinitely increase as this goes on. However, I think it does actually reset when you turn it off and then go back to it, so it doesn't just keep it infinitely. However, you do earn money offline while... No. Oh good, I've been playing it. Now, in order to increase what you do, you have to increase the collector. and it's gonna, yes. And you have to increase the warehouse. So now 69 point, how much? 69.6 billion goes into a pod, and 65.7 comes out. So there's a 2.9 increase, so it's still stuck. I just earned slightly more money, allowing me to continue the chain of infinite things. Also, at some point, you have to send like 1 AA, so I'm not really that upset by not. I forgot. So I'm not really that upset about not getting those kinds of upgrades, considering 1 AA is literally the amount we need to duplicate this process on dust planets, which has a 0.50 times higher output. Because apparently those resources are worth more. And now you have a successfully broken version of this game, which you can fix if you want. It's as simple as increasing the warehouse and everything to be higher. So bye.